So you've probably heard of the 7 chakras, but maybe you aren't really sure what they are. So I wanted to give you a little crash course in the chakra system. Chakras are energy centers within the body that correspond to physical, emotional, and spiritual states. And there are 7 main chakras, and each one has a color, an element, a purpose, and they should be balanced for a healthy and harmonious life. They run through the center of the body, starting at the base of the spine and working up to the top of the head. The first chakra is at the base of the spine, and it's associated with grounding and security. The second one is below the belly button, and it's associated with emotional expression and creativity. The third one is just above the navel, and it's all about your personal power and transformation. The fourth chakra is in the center of the chest, and it's your love center. The fifth one is at the base of the throat, and is associated with communication. Sixth chakra is located at the brow and is associated with intuition and wisdom. And lastly, the 7th chakra is located at the crown and is associated with divine consciousness and spiritual connection. Keeping all 7 chakras balanced helps promote mental, physical, spiritual well-being, and meditation can help you keep them aligned and balanced. And this is something that we work on in the Healing Hearth membership community. So there's your crash course on the 7 chakras.